Now we're going to look at decomposition reactions. Now, before we get into decomposition reactions, let's go back to the dance. So back at the dance, Xavier and Yasmin have been together forever and were known as the couple. During that same evening of that same dance, they had a heated quarrel when Yasmin said that she wasn't sure if she liked chemistry or not. As everyone watched them fight and yell at each other, they ended up breaking up right in the center of the dance floor. OMG. Now this drama can be characterized by the following equation. We have our XY, our couple, XY, and then it produces X plus Y. Now talking with elements and compounds, we start out with one reactant, a compound, and then it decomposes to produce two or more products. Let's look at a couple examples. The first example, we have water breaks down into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Now with decomposition reactions, you always want to make sure you're writing the formulas correctly from the word equation. So water, which we should know, right? We all know that water, H2O. You should also know this is the state is it is a liquid, and it breaks down or decomposes. It produces hydrogen gas. Now don't forget, hydrogen is diatomic, and that's a gas, and oxygen gas, which is also a diatomic molecule. So we've got water decomposes into hydrogen gas plus oxygen gas, and then we want to balance it with 2. All right, so this is our decomposition reaction. Another example of a decomposition reaction, we have sodium oxide decomposes into sodium metal and oxygen gas. So my reactant is sodium oxide, so Na2O, watch your subscripts. This is a solid, and it decomposes into sodium metal. So there's my sodium metal, it's a solid, plus oxygen gas. All right, and then we'll balance this. So this is my balance equation. When you're predicting the products of a decomposition reaction, you always want to just keep an eye out for the elements that they decompose into. If it's diatomic, don't forget to put the subscript of 2. All right, so now move on to the mini lab and then the practice problems.